In this video tutorial, I will walk you through 3 different methods that will allow you to change and select colors in Photoshop. When editing images, there will likely be a time that you will need to change colors of an object in the Photoshop. Maybe someone is wearing the color shirt, or you would like to see what your car would look like in a different color. Whatever the reason is, you will need to know how to change colors in Photoshop. Luckily, this process is not very difficult as long as you have a good image to work with. In this video, you will learn 3 simple ways to change colors of an object in Photoshop. Using the color replacement tool, a hue saturation, and a color balance adjustment layer. Number 1 is color replacement tool. The color replacement tool is nested under the brush tool. Now select the color replacement tool and choose a color that you want to change with. As you can see how the color is changing. The color replacement tools allows you to easily change the color of an object in a photo with a lot of troubles or hassle. However, it's not a professional tool, but it works well for a beginner. The second way is by hue saturation adjustment tool, but first you need to make a selection of an area where you want to change the color. Now go to hue saturation and adjust the color by hue. You can move around the arrow and check which color is making and make which color you want. Now for a final touch, I use color balance tool. Because the color of skin and hair is little pinkish, so I make it little bluish to make it more realistic. Now you can see the image is looking more realistic. The third way is by color balance. However, the color balance is not a good choice, but in this video I am telling you 3 ways of changing colors in photos that are possible in Photoshop. First, you have to make selection of area that you want to change color, like hue saturation. Now go to color balance. Now you can see color balance is doing well, but in most cases color balance makes it more worse. If this video helps you a little bit, please consider subscribing, like and share it. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, keep creating.